How's it going, everyone? It's Gadgets Boy. Welcome to another video. Now, if you're looking for a device that allows you to stream content on the go via YouTube, for example, or you just need something to do your work as well without having to worry about the battery life or performance, then the MediaTek Compania 500 powered Acer Chromebook 311 is definitely one to consider. In the box, you have everything you need, like a quick setup guide, a USB-C charger, and the Acer Chromebook 311 itself in pure silver. Open it up, you notice the large trackpad area and a keyboard that offers great key travel and it feels nice to type. On the right side, you have a 4 USB-A ports, and on the other side is a USB Type-C port, which is where you'd also plug it in to charge it up if you need to do so. You also have a 3.5mm headphone jack, which also doubles up as a microphone port if you need to do so. This has a built-in microphone and built-in sound system as well, so you don't have to plug another one in. One of the great things about owning a Chromebook is the fact that they're so easy to set up, easy to get on with, and they have this sort of like minimalist vibe to them. On the lid, there's an HD webcam, useful for video calls. This is a sample recording from the Acer Chromebook 311. As you can see my face clearly, and this is great for video calls. Generally, this laptop is super lightweight at just 1 kilogram and is super thin that it would just slide into any backpack, ready to go, ready to hit the road. And when you get to your destination, you can easily connect to the Wi-Fi using the built-in 802.11 AC Wi-Fi. Like I was saying, the setup process is super easy. You just have to turn it on and enter your Google Mail username and password, or just Google account username and password, and you're all set. The Acer Chromebook 311 is powered by the MediaTek Compania 500, so the MT8183, a processor developed to keep your Chromebook running smoothly whilst offering a long battery life. The processor combines an octa-core CPU with 4 ARM Cortex A73 big cores and 4 Cortex A53 cores, all operating at up to 2 GHz, plus a powerful ARM Mali G72 class graphics processor operating at up to 800 MHz. So, there's so much going on there technically, but what does it actually mean for you? It means you can download games on Google Play and enjoy playing them, so you can play games like Asphalt on the Chromebook 311's Full HD display with no hiccups. You can also do this all day long on battery power alone for up to 15 hours. Together with 4GB of RAM and the built-in 32GB eMMC storage, you are set for a smooth experience, whether it's for your kids who need something for entertainment on the go, or for when you quickly need to get your thoughts down or manage your shopping list on Google Sheets. Its 11.6-inch display is just the right size for work and play on the move without all the faff. If there's anything I would change about this particular laptop, it would be to include a backlit keyboard and maybe have smaller bezels to make it a little bit slicker. But I guess for its intended users, they probably wouldn't be typing at night time to warrant a backlit keyboard. However, having used it for over a month is definitely one to consider if you need a device for entertainment on the move without breaking the bank. With Chrome OS, you have access to the full Google suite. You don't need a big storage drive, as you can save your files in the cloud and sync them across your devices, and have access to the Google Play Store. So, there you have it. That's the MediaTek Compania 500 powered Acer Chromebook 311 laptop. Well, let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this something that you would consider? All pricing and relevant information will be in the description area as well, so do check it out. And if you want to find out more about MediaTek and their processor chips, do click the link in the description area as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey, before you go, if this is your first time around here, please do subscribe, smash the bell notification as well, and hit the like button. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.